So guys, my cute fam bam decided that they want to go out, like my mom, my dad, my sister and her husband, and my husband is at work, of course. So I got like 15 minutes to get this face on flicky licky. Hair is okay, I think. And then let's get ready really quickly. I'm gonna start off with some moisturizer. I just cleaned up my face. I'm not gonna put a lot, and usually if it was morning time and I wasn't in a rush, I would probably put, like, you know, eye cream, serum, another serum, but now ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder primer. I'm just gonna use the Giorgio Armani Maestro foundation, and yeah, it's very lightweight. I usually gonna apply it on daytime when it's really hot, but now I don't have time to mix foundations, and I know that this one is good for me. So sorry for the mess behind me. Usually when I film here, I put a background and it looks more aesthetic. No shit. In Israel we have a magic soap called Vanishkalia. Quickly, I'm gonna apply a little bit of Tarte, nothing in here, medium foundation concealer. At this moment my makeup is not on flake at all. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of this Chanel concealer in the color 20, just a tiny bit to look. Okay, someone just texted. I'm gonna use this MAC powder just to set my underneath eyes, and this Givenchy powder, which is like a glowy one, for the rest of my face. Shiseido bronzer, just because. Look at my shirt. And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best friend I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, there's no way. There's no way I'm living without. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying. Eyebrows are not gonna be on fleek today. No, mister. My hair, ani gvarme my hair, la 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 la. Best thing of having eyelash extensions is that you already look like you wear tons of makeup. I'm gonna use this one. Not so pigmented, but looks nice. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury blush in Ecstasy that I purchased in Canada. It's funny that my auntie is always, my Canadian auntie, always laughing at me for saying Canada and not Canada. But Canada is also. And lipstick. I'm gonna use this MAC Cultured lip pencil. A little bit of Mauritius highlighter by Tommy Cosmetics, which is my cosmetic company, and we do ship worldwide. This glow step on flicky licky. Okay, we need to take this one off. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I'm wearing a gorgeous dress that I bought in Italy in some boutique in Napoli, and yeah, and I feel cute. What do you guys think? Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna grab this Louis Vuitton bag and a wallet, which is highly necessary. I'm gonna wear this Estee Lauder lipstick in the shade 140. And I'm ready. Mommy!
Hello!
Hello! Say hello to the English vlog, Abba. Today, we are celebrating my mama and my papa's wedding anniversary. You guys are married for fucking 35 years.
You must put this F.
We came here to... עובד. חיים שלי. Everybody's asking where's Ben, but my husband is working. Yeah. Am I pretty? It's from Italy. Show them.
You are just beautiful. Imale. Mamma mia.
So, Mama.
Yes.
How is it like being married for fucking 35 years? Sorry, but it's
I'm not responsible.
But when you say 35 years, you must say like.
No.
Okay, how is it like to be married for 35 years?
Well, same.
How handsome is my cutie pie? תגיד לי sister.
Sister.
From another mister. So we came here to the flea market of Yafo, which is like Yafo, Tel Aviv. It's actually the same city. And we're gonna go drink something and eat and celebrate. And actually today is the day that Ben proposed. Like last year he proposed to me. התנשקתם?
מה עוד עשיתם?
נשיקות.
רק נשיקות? בכל זאת, 35 שנה.
I don't like this conversation. This is my big sister. Her name is Danielle. And she's 6 years older than me. So cute! We order a Turkish thing that I don't really know. Mama, is it good? And this is hummus with mushrooms. And we love it. And we love it. And I love my sister, my private model. You know that I uploaded a photo of you guys. You should see how my sister looked at my wedding. I'm telling you. Top model. Look at her. Isn't she stunning?
נקצו בזה.
Stunning. Hi guys. Happy anniversary.
Hello. Well, about my 35 years of marriage with this handsome man.
My love. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes?
Thank
What-
you, my babies.
What are you wishing for the next
The best.
anniversary?
The best.
For the next
The
35 years.
Next 55 years.
Don't exaggerate.
Not at all.
We look alike?
Yes.
I love